All right, welcome back to the channel. Now, I am a little bit sick today, but I was like, you know what? I need to get this video out because I am so stoked about the new updates in the most recent EzAlgo V12. And once I share with you guys what's new, I think you're going to be blown away. Now, you guys know how this algorithm works by now. We have the automatic support and resistance levels. We have the auto golden pocket. We have the reversal bands. We have these nice AI signals right here, the easy oscillator for the momentum, the trend cloud, etc. But in this new update, we've made it a priority of ours to focus on the buy and sell signals specifically. Now, these signals are unlike any other buy sell signals you might see on some other trading indicators, and I'll show you guys why in a moment. So let's jump into the settings here on EzAlgo V12, and you'll notice that the old buy and sell signals have been condensed into this trend bar color. So if you want the old signals, you can simply toggle on the labels right here, and you can get the old signals. By default, these will be off and you'll have the trend bar color. So in the previous update, this was a default for the buy and sell signals. However, we've added new AI reversal signals. Now, these will give you the most optimal entry. And the reason that we wanted to add new buy and sell signals is that people were saying that the entries were a little bit late, right? The buy and sell signals are used for confirmation in previous updates. But in this update, we want to bring something new to the market and say, you know what, we don't even need any other confluences. You can strictly follow these AI reversal signals and become a very profitable trader. So within these signals, we have obviously the signal type, which is bull, bear, and then all. Now this is for trend trading. So we're obviously in a bull run at this point. You'd probably only want to show the bull signals. Now again, this does depend on the asset, and I'll actually go through a few different pairs and I'll show you guys how I would tweak the settings. But by default, you're going to leave the signal type to all. This will show you the both bullish and bearish signals. And below here, we have mode. So we have a swing mode, which is by default. We also have a scalp mode. Now, a scalp mode will show you more entries. Now, this is going to be for a slightly lower time frame of trading, like a 1 hour and below. You'd probably want to use the scalp mode. You can still use scalp mode on a higher time frame. This isn't set to any certain time frame, which is why we've added these three modes independent of each other. Because if you're on a 4 hour and want more signals, you can by all means use the scalp signals, but we recommend to use them for a lower time frame. Obviously, by default, it's going to be swing, which is for, a 1 hour and above, 2 hour and above time frame. These are going to be higher time frame swing signals. So you're going to be holding these trades for, multiple hours, multiple days, even multiple weeks in some scenarios. And then last but not least, we have the accumulation mode. Now, I am going to go into detail on the accumulation mode and probably make a video strictly for the accumulation mode just because it is so powerful. Now, it's very important when you're using the accumulation mode, you go to an asset that has a lot of data. So I'm on Blowfin here. There isn't as much price history on this exchange. I'd recommend to use Binance. So go to Binance, load up a USD pair, and use the accumulation mode. Now, this is for like the 8 hour and above time frame, preferably for like a 12 hour and above time frame. But this mode will literally give you the areas to DCA. Now, a majority of wealth in cryptocurrency is made in long-term spot plays. Even your favorite traders, myself included, and a lot of the traders and influencers that you see online on social media, they didn't make a majority of their money trading. They make a very small amount of their money trading, but a majority of their money is made through spot plays, right? Through buying and holding cryptocurrency. So the accumulation mode is mainly for cryptocurrency. I want to preface that. Yes, you can use it on stocks as well, but you want to use these on crypto pairs. For example, XRP, right? This is just an example, not that I'm saying to buy XRP by any means, but it will literally give you the bottom to start accumulating. If you were to have bought every time that the algo flashed an accumulation mode signal, you guys would be in huge profits. Now, obviously use some common sense as well. Although you would have made, some great profits there, you really want to use these accumulation signals when you're in a downtrend or a long consolidation period in the bear market. So for example, in this most recent bear market, you can see that the algo flashed 3 accumulation signals, right? One right here, and then another one right here. So this is telling you, start buying this coin. Start dollar cost averaging, start accumulating this coin. Now, obviously you want to use these on your favorite altcoins or even Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'll actually show you this algo on Bitcoin in just a moment. But the accumulation mode is so powerful. And this is by far the most underrated aspect of this indicator to date because it literally gives you guys hands-off investing. It will literally give you the bottoms, telling you guys when to start buying in preparation for the bull runs. Like, it doesn't get any more simple than this. And in fact, I actually created this mode for myself. I was actually making a new algorithm just for myself, just for long-term investing, because obviously that's where a majority of wealth is created, right? Buying and holding spot positions. And I was like, you know what? I can actually add this or something similar to EzAlgo, which I've done. This was initially built just for my long-term bags, and it was just so good, and the back tests are so great that I added it onto EzAlgo. And we include a multitude of inputs for these signals. So yes, there's artificial intelligence in the code, but something that we've implemented in the code as well is sentiment. So you'll notice that when price is flashing an accumulation signal, the sentiment is very low. The sentiment is very bearish. People do not want to buy. And that is exactly when you want to be accumulating for the long term, is when no one else wants to buy. So as you can see, price is at the low. Price is at 30 cents. Everyone's saying don't buy XRP when XRP is literally at the bottom. And that is when you want to be buying. So one part of the accumulation mode is the sentiment. We've also added our own rendition of the Bollinger Bands. So when price is very overextended to the downside and very oversold, price will flash an accumulation buy signal. Now, keep in mind, these are just buy signals, right? If you want the sell signals as well, you can turn on swing mode to help you take profit. But again, this is just for accumulation. As you can see, if we turn on the sell signals, we have a sell signal here, a sell signal here, price drops, that sort of thing. But again, if you're in a bull run, like in this instance, I'd probably turn off the bear signals. I'd probably just turn on bull and do like swing bull. And this is also a great way to get positioned in the market if you miss the initial bottom. Turn on swing mode and turn on the signal type to bull, and you guys can get great entries in spot or low leverage. As you can see, every time the algorithm flashes a signal, price is near a relative bottom, right? It's showing when price is extremely overextended to the downside. We are also in a bull run. So this is where you want to be accumulating, adding to your spot position, or opening some low leverage long positions. Turn off the trend cloud to make it a little bit more clear. And I will show you guys how this works on Bitcoin. So again, we're gonna go to Bitcoin USD on Binance, right? That has the most data. Again, look at 12-hour swing buy signal, oscillators flashing a buy signal, price goes up, right? Huge. Let's go to the daily time frame. So here is what the algorithm looks like on the Bitcoin one-day time frame. And you'll notice these signals do a fantastic job of calling local bottoms and tops. Now, obviously, you want to use some common sense as well. For example, you probably wouldn't sell all of your spot positions here on this sell signal. Maybe some of them, but probably not all of them, right? But right here you would, because we had reached an all-time high, price had swept the highs, and now the algo is flashing this bear signal, this bear reversal signal saying, hey, it might be time to start taking profits. And then price dumps. Again, we get a buy signal marking the local bottom. And guys, price is going up 25, 30%. We get some more sell signals. Might be time to start selling off. Then we get some more swing buy signals. Maybe you want to start accumulating, or you can turn on the accumulation mode here once you are in a confirmed bear market. And as you can see, right, the accumulation mode, it's telling you guys exactly when to start buying up Bitcoin again, literally getting the exact local bottoms. You will not find another indicator this accurate, guys, when it comes to finding local bottoms and tops. And I really want you guys to understand how lucrative this can be in terms of general investing. You could actually use these signals on Bitcoin to help you accumulate altcoins, right? Maybe Bitcoin's at the lows in the bear market and you get an accumulation buy signal. Well, maybe it's time to buy up some of your favorite altcoins. And if you had done that, you'd be up 20, 30x on some of these coins. Let's go back to swing mode again, and I'm going to turn on all signals just to show you guys here on a slightly lower time frame, right, on an 8-hour time frame. Again, you're getting these sell signals, price drops, buy signal, sell, buy, another buy signal. Now, again, we're in a bull run. Probably don't want to take the sell signal seriously. So in this case, I'd actually turn on just the bull signals. Wouldn't worry about the sell signals too much, and just look to accumulate some of your favorite coins. Now, this has been killing Solana. Let's go to Solana. Solana has been a coin that I've been very bullish on and very vocally bullish on since we're at like $20, $30 in the bear market. And as you can see, price is in a confirmed uptrend. We can turn on the trend dashboard in EzAlgo to confirm, but I mean, you can just look at the price action and you can literally just long Solana every time price retraces into this trend cloud and we get these AI buy signals. And you can see price respects these signals up until the most recent one, obviously. But in this case, you'll notice that the trend cloud was flipping bearish, so it might have not been a good idea to get into that. But you can see, you know, it's calling these local bottoms very easily, like very easily calling all of these local bottoms. And by the way, these signals work on Heiken Ashi candles as well. So I know I do get a lot of hate sometimes when I go on Heiken Ashi, which is why I've been showing you guys on Japanese. But the signals are the exact same. So it doesn't matter whether you're using Heiken Ashi or the standard Japanese candles, these signals are crushing. Now, obviously, if you want more confluence on a lower time frame, let's go to like a 15-minute. If you're going to a lower time frame, you want to use other confluences as well. So you want to use key support and resistance levels, use trend, and use like basic price action. If you guys don't have the EzAlgo trading indicators yet, what are you doing? Click the first link in the description below. In fact, I'm going to give you guys a 40% discount. I rarely do this, but I'm going to give you guys a 40% discount for the new updates. Use code AI40OFF and you'll get 40% off your first month, just because I want to show you guys that this really does work. And I want you guys to back test it yourself because I'm very, very confident in this new update. And this is going to make myself and a lot of our members so much money. So definitely be sure to click the first link in the description below. And I'll see you guys next video.